Snow removal completed. A little out of breath here. Just got through plowing. Then I shoveled by hand. This is to get to the bird feeder. It's a little deep. You can see what the driveway looks like here now. It's like friggin' Siberia. Still snowing and blowing. Significant storm. Here we go. After snow removal. See how big the banks are around here. Takes a few hours. Pretty snowy out. So all you people who have short driveways complaining about the snow, this driveway is about a half a mile long. We plow it wide because it fills in. So, there you have it. March snowstorm. Time to go back to work and have some lunch.